The gods have revealed it to me. I speak only what the God tells me to.
Go ahead, eye of the gods.
If I lie, let me pay with my life.
Go ahead, eye of the gods. We are all ears.
People of Obudoma.
Your Majesty, I have tried all I could to calm him down. All to no avail. I don't know what I want to do.
It's okay. Don't bother yourself so much about that. The prince is passing through a lot now, and you are his wife. So keep talking to him.
He doesn't want to talk to me.
Yes, of course I will not say anything to you. Nobody should talk to me. Huh? Nobody should talk to me. All I want is for you people to do what is right. I want my sight, that's all. Nobody should talk to me. I do not wish to speak to anybody. I don't need anything from anybody. I want my sight. I want to see, that's all.
Son, this is not the best way to handle this.
So what is the best way to handle it, mother? Huh? You are the cause of this and you still want me to die in blindness.
You want me to go naked? I will not go naked to appease any gods. Tell me, son, where were they? Where were they when I was desperately searching for a child? Where were they? How I took a water? Never, I will do it.
It's not just about looking for a child, mother. You killed! Even mother, you killed somebody! You killed a maiden! But father, allow me to speak. I mean, you cannot continue like this now. I'm sick and tired of all this rubbish. Let her appease the gods. Huh? Let her cleanse the land she desecrated. That's all. I'll be fine. Everybody will be fine. I have my sight back and I'll be happy.
Do you know what it means for an adult to walk naked around the community? Talk more of a...
Tell your wife to appease the gods.
I see. Ezemo, are you also of the opinion that the queen mother of this kingdom should go naked? Tell me, is that not also a disgrace to the gods?
Your Majesty, soon, what is greater than this house will fall on this house.
The royal family will know no peace until the gods are appeased. The blood of the maiden cries for vengeance. And the hearts boils. Your Majesty, I will not come here again to warn you on this issue.
What do you want me to do? Help me talk to them. Tell them that it is not proper for a queen mother of a whole kingdom to go naked round the whole 7 communities of this kingdom. It is not proper. Is there no other way out?
The gods are wise.
Alilege bosim no wama akwandelia okwabu muweze alilia nachi bumo alilege bosim no wame akwandelia nane mamomo momo nisio Nana momo nisio Abiabaramu wa mejotimo Ogini kamere Jimu baranamo Kanweraya muhuzo Abiabaramu wa mejotimo Ogini kamere Jimu baranamo Kanweraya muhuzo
can see. I can see. I can see.
Onye na-agbasa letakwa chi gị, ọgbọsọ n'enu ụwa letakwa chi gị.